This is a real winner for parties or picnics. You know, it is bursting with flavour. So much flavour coming out of there. You know, it's a standalone type quiche. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make an Italian sausage quiche. Let's show you how to do it right now. Okay, this is my pastry, okay, and I have a link on the site up here. If you would like to go make the pastry, you'll be at the stage I'm at now, or you use bought pastry. What we need to do is roll that pastry out to fit this tin. Now I made a quiche the other day. I don't have a loose bottom tin. It was a right job getting it out. So I've lined this with aluminium foil. Now hopefully we should be able to pull it straight up. We'll see. So what we need to do is we need to roll out some pastry. A little bit of flour, not much. A little bit of flour on there. And let's roll out. That's our pastry. It should be big enough to fit this tin and have a lip over it. But all we need to do now is get our pastry and put it over our tin. As easy as that. Okay, now just work your pastry into the tin, nice and gently. And I do want to put a lip hanging over, as always. Now, like I say, I do want a lip hanging over there, but we don't need all that. So we're just going to take that off there. So that's our pastry on there. As per usual, don't throw away the pastry. You know, you can make something else. Wrap it up, put it in the fridge. So what we need to do, we're going to blind bake this, but we have to prick it with holes. Okay, so get a fork and go around, prick your pastry all over. Now, by doing this, it stops it all from puffing up, and even go round the sides. Once pricked all over like that, take some greaseproof paper, screw it up, shove it in the middle, right into the corners, hold it over there. We might save the crust from getting burnt too much. And then in with some baking beans. Now these are soybeans actually. And then we're going in the oven 175 350 for about 20 minutes. So let's get that in that oven. In it goes. We're going to blind bake it for 20 minutes. We're going to take it out, take the beans out, put it back in. But what I might do this time, because it's such a small oven, very compact, I might run a bit of tin foil around the top of the crust. I actually want the base to cook up and be cooked before we put our quiche mixture in. There's nothing worse than having a soggy base. 20 minutes. Whew. Let's have that out of there. Right, what we need to do is get those beans out. What we need to do is put that back in for 10 minutes. Now what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to put some tin foil round the edge of this pie. I don't want this pie to get too burnt. Now it is a little secret tip. It is a little tip, but you know, you don't have to. It's up to you, but I want that pastry base in there to cook. Now it might not even stay on, because the thing is with this oven, it spins round. It blows air around. Now it could give us some protection, I don't know. Let's see what we do when we put it back in. So that's going back in there for another 10 minutes. Well, it looks like it's going to behave itself and it's going to stay on there. I am very surprised. I thought it would have blown off actually. So while that's cooking away, we've got this pan on. And we're going to go in with a little bit of butter. Yeah, a bit of butter in there. And a bit of olive oil. What are we doing? We want to be taking our Italian sausages and we want to be cooking those in there, in that nice butter oil mixture. Now there's a bundle of sausages here. We want 5 whole ones and then the rest is going to be minced up. Now we want to be putting some colour on this, but we don't want to overcook them. We want to cook these to about 70%. Now it is a guess. It is a guess. So just get some colour on these sausages. Yes, I'm using a spoon. You can use these things if you want or anything else. It doesn't matter. Just turn your sausages over. Okay, our sausages are cooking nicely. Our quiche base is cooked in there. Just look at that. All we need to do is take that off there. That tin foil off there. And look how perfectly cooked that is. That is how to blind bake a quiche. We're going to get those out of there and we're going to put them on this plate. And what we need to be doing is going in that pan with some chopped onion. Now we're going to use that sausage butter mixture that was in the bottom of there to cook these onions. We want to make these onions a little bit translucent. Okay, that's enough, flame off. With our flan casing, it's still red hot this. What we want to do, we want to get some sausages in there, but these sausages are actually too big. So what we need to do is cut the ends off the sausages to make them fit. Cut that sausage through there. Don't cut through all the sausage into the pastry. Put them across there like that. So we've got that big sausage across there. Okay, so we've got that effect going on in there. Now these sausages are ginormous actually. So the bits that we've cut, we want to put some cut pieces of sausage in between. Just cut up some sausage and dob it in there. So if you had a bigger flan case, it would be perfect. We got this small one going on here. Right, what we need to be doing, we need to be going in there with some of those onions. So we're just going to get a few of those little onions going in there. That's going to be our seasoning around. Okay, I have 200 mils of cream. I have 2 eggs. I'm going to put in that cream, give it a whisk up. In there with some pepper. Mix up your eggs in there with your milk. Right, in our flan quiche with a little bit of parmesan. We're going for a little bit of the old cheddar. We've got a little bit of mozzarella. Got a little bit of fresh parsley. And then we need to be going in there with our creamy egg mixture. Now before this goes in the oven, we're going to just put a few little fennel seeds. You know, Italian sausage, fennel and pork. Oh, amazing. So let's get that quiche in there. The smell in here from that fennel cooking in there in that quiche. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Okay, so remember our overhang? We need to take that off. So what we're going to do, we're going to come in there and we're going to try and come down the middle of that sausage. And we're going to try and come down the middle of that sausage. Just look at that. Let's put that on a plate. Oh, look at that. Or what you could do is come down the quiche. So you have quiche on either side and the sausage in the middle. The choice is yours. Now look, here's your sausage. Here's your sausage. You know, but that is just quiche in the middle. But it does have a couple of bits of sausage in there that we actually put in. So let's get in there. I mean, come on. That is amazing. There's a bit of sausage in there. You've got that fennel flavour through there. You've got a nice firm pastry. This is a real winner for parties or picnics. You know, it is bursting with flavour. So much flavour coming out of there. You know, it's a standalone type quiche. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends. All that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.